Hello friends, we will use the water motor from an old dishwasher mechanism as a water pump. Inside the accessible places there's a motor. It's actually a water pump. It consumes very little electricity and can deliver water under great pressure. We will use this as our water pump. Firstly, I am disassembling the dishwasher and removing the motor from it. These motors have a very easy electrical connection. I said as to I have a socket on me with two cables coming in. It's clearly visible on the side of the motor. We connect the phase and neutral coming from the plug to those two cables. The ground cable is to be connected to a socket located right in the middle of the motor. And when we plug it in, our motor starts working immediately. The pump input located in a part of the engine is the end where the water will be drawn. The entrance side of the shelter, so it's going to draw water from here. The exit facing the camera right now, and water is being pumped out of this exit. But for these motors to be able to pump water, the inside of the pump blades needs to be filled with water. We therefore need to use a check valve. We're going to attach the check valve to the end of the suction hose and fill the pump with water. The check valve won't let water pass in the other direction. The water won't go to waste. The inside of the pump will be filled with water. The thing we call check valve is actually this, guys. It allows water to pass in one direction and does not allow water to pass in the other direction. I tried to fill the motor of this plastic machine with water using the plastic pipes used in houses. I am going to make a plumbing system. It will resemble a real water pump. I am going to put a valve on top of it and I'll be able to fill the water comfortably inside from there. Yes, guys, as I've mentioned, I placed the plastic pipes myself. I put a valve on top of me. Now I will fill water from this valve. The inside of the pump will be completely filled with water. It took about 5 liters of water. The goal is around 4 meters. I've put the pump a bit higher right now. I'm going to test if it can pump from lower down. I've put it approximately 1.5 meters high. I filled it with pump water. The inside of the storm is full. I'm going to draw from the bucket now. Since there is no well here at the moment, I will try to draw from the bucket. I'm placing the hose of our water pump into the well. I'm placing the side where the check valve is. And I am running my pump, friends. Yes, as you can see, it draws water in a very nice way. It draws very quickly. The water in the bucket quickly ran out and I am refilling it now. This pump can pump water quite nicely. It pumps quickly and energy savings is also very high, guys. This pumps usually vary in power between 50 W and 70 W. They're not very powerful, that is, they consume very little electricity. We use this pump with a battery and inverter. You can water it in your field or garden. It can pump water about 3 times the municipal water that comes to homes quite nicely. That's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video. Goodbye.